Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. All I do.
What's up, you guys? It's your favorite girl Ashley, and I'm back today with another mukbang. You guys, it has been so long, like this feels weird, but we getting back into it, honey. Okay, y'all, today we're gonna be eating some Ethiopian food. Okay, some good old African food. Usually all these videos going around when people saying they're eating African food, like Africa is such a huge continent with so many countries in it. Usually when you see them eating the fufu and the igusu stew and all that, that's Nigerian food, okay? This right here is Ethiopian food, and it's commonly served with injera. That's this right here. It's like a flatbread. Kinda, it's like a super liquidy batter, and then you put it on the hot stone or the tamal, however they cook it, and it comes out to be like a flatbread. You see it? It's super soft and it's good, and has like a slight sour taste, but it's really good. See, this is our Ethiopian food, not Nigerian food. Ethiopian food. I am gonna do Nigerian food too. I'm gonna do stew and some fufu and pounded yam and all that, but I had a taste for this, okay? And I'm trying something different today. Today I'm eating the beef. Usually I get the goat or lamb. Let me show you guys what I have. So I actually took a screenshot on my phone of what I have. This beef right here is called the Awazi beef, okay? So it is cube prime beef sauteed with a Berber spice sauce with grilled onions, tomatoes, and peppers, okay? Don't that sound good? And then I have different veggies. I have, yeah, miserot. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing some of the names right, but I don't mean to, I'm sorry. So I have on here the different vegetables. I have some yellow lentil right here in the middle. I have some split peas. I think that is this right here. I have a lak woot, Yemen woot, ye tim feeth. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, y'all, so these are different veggies from what I see. This right here is like a root vegetable kind of thing. This right here is yellow lentil. This I think is the what was that? Oh, this is the split peas. This green right here is collard greens, okay? And this right here is a dish that is like chopped up injera with onions, tomatoes, and peppers. That right there. This right here is their homemade cheese. It's like a goat milk cheese. That right there. And these two, these are both the meat, and I put it on both sides, okay? So that, can we eat now? Usually, you guys, I get the lamb, so this is my first time having the beef. So let's try it. So you guys, Ethiopian food is eaten with the hands, okay? Like Nigerian food, you take a piece of the fufu and you grab the meat. With this, you take a piece of the injera, see? And then you grab some of the food. Let me grab some of the beef. See that? Look at that. Then you bite it. That's good. The injera's like slightly sour. It's so good. I washed my hands like twice already. This is the collard greens. I've never had African style collard greens. Very good. It's like slightly bitter. It almost tastes kind of like mustard greens a little bit. Take some more of this injera. Have you guys ever had Ethiopian food? I'm gonna get some of this yellow lentil. Oh. That tastes like curry chana. Oh, that tastes like curry chickpea. Let me try this. I'm not sure which one, what this is. What's the orange stuff? Yeah, I know there's some people that's gonna correct me. What's the orange stuff? Is that the, I know that's not the lentil. Is that the split pea? Is the split pea the yellow one and the lentil the orange? I may have it backwards. Is that the lentil? That is good. Yum. This injera is so good. Let's taste. I'm just gonna say the yellow one is the split pea and the orange one is the lentil. Okay? I'm gonna say, oh, let's try their homemade cheese. I'm tasting some of this split pea and their homemade cheese. Oh, you guys, everything is spiced just right. Nothing is salty and nothing is like super spicy. It's real nice and balanced. This cheese is nice. You guys, I'm on vacation. If you guys are looking around and wondering like, where the hell is she? I'm on vacation, y'all. I'm in my hotel room eating this. Filming for y'all. These collard greens are good. They taste like a little bitter. You guys know like how mustard greens taste? How mustard greens are like a little bitter? I thought that tastes. What's the, these are root vegetables. These almost, the way how they look like, you know, like the core of cabbage. That's how this looks. It looks like a potato, but it's really a root veggie. It looks like the core of cabbage. That's good too. What does that taste like? This tastes like it. This is cabbage. This is cabbage, y'all. Look. That is definitely some cabbage. That is good. It's like cabbage with a little curry. It's good. Okay. The goat that I usually get is so good. The lamb. This is the beef. This is like a beef stew without like a bunch of liquid. Woo. I dropped a piece of meat. I know y'all want that. Y'all want that bite? Okay, you got it. Okay. I hope you guys can see good. I hope the lighting's good. Yeah, I really want to start doing mukbangs again. I eat kind of boring when I'm not working, so if I'm eating something exciting, I want to share it with y'all. Ronnie, taste this beef. Yeah, Ronnie will not try it. Taste the, it's beef. There's no pork here.
I want to eat that.
Why, babe?
That's so weak.
This beef is so tender. The injera is good. Oh, it's so soft and airy. This is the beef too. It's like, it tastes like, it's not like this is like stuff that we don't usually eat. Maybe some of the spices are different, but like this is beef stew with onions and peppers pretty much. Mmm. 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 Okay. Listen, I wonder how they make that. This is lentil and split pea. That is good. I would like to taste some of the split pea and lentil on rice. That is good. These greens. So good. Sweet. There's some of that cheese on there. I should have got some lamb too. I know I ain't gonna eat all this, but it would be good to like have a couple bites. All this food, I always tell y'all how much the food costs. It was like $34. All this food, and then I have extra injera in here. See that? So this pretty much is 2 plates. This is the awat plate, the beef plate, and then this is also a veggie plate. So it's like $15 and change for each. Okay. So. I don't know what to talk about, y'all. I'm just gonna eat. Some days I'll just want to eat. Those greens is good. Do Ethiopians usually eat collard greens, or is that like adapted and more Americanized? That cheese is good. I don't really like eating with my hands. Oh, I didn't taste this. This is a chopped up injera with tomatoes and onions. Ooh, that water, boy. Okay. I'm starting to get a little full. I'm sorry if there's like shadow. I'm trying to make this do what it do, y'all. I could say one thing, this is not like super heavy. Like I don't have any like oils on my fingers or my lips. It's a lot of vegetables too. The beef stew itself is like super tomatoey with like a lot of veggies in it. Babe, take one bite. Babe, eat some. He was not gonna try it, but I bet if he tried it, he'd like it. It's just beef stew. I'm getting full, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Some of this homemade cheese. Ooh, my cheese fell off. Oh, yeah.
Don't eat African food. Don't eat black food. Italian, Spanish, French.
What French food you eat?
French fries, French toast.
French fries, French toast. You know that's not really French, right? Yo, these lentils and the split peas are so good. It's so messy, but it tastes so good. Wow. Oh, these peppers and onions. I'm sorry, I'm showing y'all my dirty hands, but it tastes so good. Ooh, that bite was a little spicy. I think I bit into a pepper, y'all. Oh my gosh, right now it's like everything is pretty much mushed together. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's super heavy on tomato. Is that lime? Yeah, I know always I want to eat something and try to cook it. Like, it tastes a little more sour than just like sour tomato. What if there's lime in there? Stick a fork in me, I'm done, y'all. That was good. Everything is like mixed together now. Look at this. I ate a lot of this. Look at that. I think I did that. Alright. Alright, y'all. So that was another mukbang. Ethiopian food was really good. This beef was good. I think I prefer the lamb and what was it, like the buttery chicken? What's that called? Dosa something? I can't even think of the name of that. I think I prefer that to this beef, but it was still really good. I am super full, okay? Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.
Whoa, don't slip up or get